For this problem, we're going to work to get a common denominator all the way across. So the first thing I'm going to do is factor this trinomial, and it's going to factor into x minus 4x plus 1. Now I'm going to look at what parts of my other denominator are the same as this denominator and which parts I need to add. So if I go all the way to the first denominator, this has an x minus 4, which so does my last common denominator. But it doesn't have this x plus 1. So I'm going to multiply the top and bottom by this x plus 1. Then if I look at the second fraction, it has that x plus 1, but it doesn't have the x minus 4. So I'm going to multiply the top and bottom by that x minus 4. All right, now I'm going to distribute. So I'm going to have 5x plus 5 over x minus 4x plus 1 equals x squared minus 4x plus 5x minus 20 all over the common denominator plus 4 over the common denominator. Now that everything's over a common denominator, I can just focus on the numerator and combine like terms. So I'm going to have 5x plus 5 equals x squared, well, let's combine these, plus x minus 20 plus 4. So now I can see I have a quadratic equation, so I'm going to move everything to one side. So I'm going to minus this 5x over, as well as minus this 5 over. So that way this side of the equation is equal to 0. So I'm going to have 0 equals x squared minus 4x. Well, this would have been negative 16, so negative 16 minus 5 would be negative 21. Now I want to factor this and think about what multiplies to negative 21 and adds to negative 4, which is going to be negative 7 and positive 3. Now to solve this, I set each of these equal to 0. And that'll give me two solutions of 7 and negative 3. Now double check, because my excluded values would have been 4 and negative 1, because those are the two values that would have made my denominator 0. Since neither of these are my excluded values, I know that these both are my solutions to this problem.